Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is marketing management. In our day-to-day life, we find so many products of utility like bread, butter, biscuit, milk, pen, notebook, etc. Just think about the sum of their origin, who they receive and whose supplier, by what name they are known. The answer to these questions are really very simple. Anybody can tell them. As for the product come from the market, the receiver, also known as customer, and the supplier are known as the seller or marketer. These three, in what we can say, market, customer, and marketer, are the word in which we have important role in marketing. Therefore, it is important to understand the meaning of these three words. First, the meaning of market. Traditional view. Ordinary market is particular place where buyer and seller get together and make deal regarding the sale or purchase. It is clear that particular stress laid upon the physical place in the context of the bazaar. But in reality, extent of the physical place is not a necessary what is essential to get together of the customer and the seller. Therefore, it is not necessary that they should meet the particular place. They can meet anywhere so that face to face presence is not required. Now, what is the view of the modern? According to the modern view, market refer to the group of the real and potential buyer of product and service. For example, car of new model is really for sale. All those people who are desirous for purchasing this car consider some of its value called is market. Similarly, the book entitled Business Study published by the VK Global Publication Private Limited will consider those buy this book, those who wish to buy this book at its market price. Now, customer happen to be an integral part of the market. A market cannot be thought of without the presence of customer. In fact, the customer means people, organization who want to satisfy their needs. Customer usually get in contact with those marketer who can supply them the product as they require or the service they want to in the order to satisfy their needs. The need of the customer can vary and they can include in the buyer necessity of life. Then marketer, or we can say seller. A marketer means a person or organization who provide goods and services to satisfy the needs of the customer. It would proper to say that the customer want to satisfaction while the marketer supply him the satisfaction. It has therefore been rightly said that the customer is satisfaction seeker while a marketer is satisfaction provider. Now, the concept of marketing. What do you mean by the meaning? Various people have the defined marketing different. Majority of people consider it a selling, which some people refer to call it shopping. Similarly, some people call it merchandise. All these meaning of the marketing are particularly correct. Marketing is the sum total of those activities which move goods and services from producer to the customer. These activities chiefly include the following: gathering, analyzing the market information, marketing planning, product of designing and development, standardizations of grading, packaging, labeling, and branding. So, what the definition of marketing? According to the Philip, the marketing is that social presence of by which the individual and the group of obtain what they need and want through the creating the offering and fairly exchanging the product and services value with the others. Marketing is referred to the process under which the value of goods and services are created, offered, and by doing transaction independently, the needs can be satisfied. So, needs means a feeling of deficiency of something. It is not a satisfied if the result is dissatisfaction. Feeling hungry, for example, feeling hungry. This is the natural activities for everybody. This is not a related to any special product.